Have you ever wondered how far an airplane can fly without stopping even once? Imagine being in the sky for nearly an entire day, flying across continents, oceans, and time zones, all in a single flight. Today, we're diving into the incredible story behind the world's longest non-stop commercial flight. Buckle up because this journey will amaze you. Before we jump into records, let's first understand what a non-stop flight really means. Unlike connecting or layover flights, a non-stop flight goes directly from one airport to another without stopping for refueling or passenger transitions. These flights are all about endurance, not just for the aircraft, but also for the passengers and crew on board. The title for the world's longest non-stop commercial flight belongs to Singapore Airlines Flight SQ21, which travels from Newark Liberty International Airport in New Jersey, USA to Changi Airport in Singapore. This flight covers a mind-blowing distance of 15,346 kilometers, 9,537 miles, and remains in the air for approximately 18 hours and 40 minutes, all without a single stop. To make such a long journey possible, Singapore Airlines uses the Airbus A350-900 ULR, where ULR stands for ultra-long range. This marvel of engineering is specially modified for extreme distance flights. It can carry 165,000 liters of fuel and has a range of up to 18,000 kilometers. The aircraft is also designed for maximum passenger comfort, offering premium seating, improved air circulation, and lighting systems that help combat jet lag. Now, let's talk about what it feels like to be on such a long flight. Singapore Airlines has thoughtfully designed this journey for comfort. There are only two classes, business and premium economy, allowing more space and a quieter cabin. With a carefully curated menu, hundreds of entertainment options, and amenities like Wi-Fi and adjustable mood lighting, the airline ensures that passengers enjoy every hour of the journey. Flights like SQ21 represent more than just records. They're a glimpse into the future of aviation. Airlines are constantly pushing boundaries to make global travel more efficient and comfortable. With advancements in aircraft technology and sustainable fuel, we may soon see even longer, greener flights. So the next time you fly, just remember, there's a flight out there that takes you across half the planet in one go. Would you take an 18-hour non-stop flight? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more aviation and travel content, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update.